Hello, it's Melanie from Southern Charm Quilts, and I'm so excited to introduce you to one of my favorite fall projects, pumpkin babies. These sweet little stuffed pumpkins are part of my Cozy Fall Stitches class, and they've completely stolen my heart. They're soft, squishy, and come together so quickly. You might just find yourself making a whole patch of them. This project is perfect for beginners and uses fabric scraps or fat quarters, a bit of stuffing, and a few simple stitches. You can make them in multiple sizes, decorate your table, give them as gifts. Endless ideas. The best part? Chapter 2 of Cozy Fall Stitches is now ready for you, which means you can jump right in and start sewing along with me. You can take the Quilt on Quilt class and work through the lessons at your own pace. Or if you're already part of Quilty Club, the class and pattern are waiting for you in your dashboard. If you're new here, the Cozy Fall Stitches series includes 5 different fall-themed projects. We started with the pumpkin spice placemat, and now we're moving on to these adorable pumpkin babies. So grab your favorite fall fabrics, a cup of something cozy, and come stitch with me. You'll find all the links below to join the class or the membership. I can't wait to see your pumpkin babies.